So this is for my heated floors, my new addition. It's a 25 by 25 area, concrete slab. There's 2 lines of hot water going in and 2 coming out. And those 2 lines come down here, and down to this manifold. You can see the 2 there running. So we got 2 going out, 2 coming back in. And as I go back in, I got a pump pushing it through. It comes back in. It's got 2 options. It comes back up. It can go to the heat exchanger in the back, or it can go to the mixer. Mixer, you got, once again, comes from the heat exchanger, and it goes down to the pressure tank. And we got that set at right now, so the temperature is at 110 degrees. So if you look at the manifolds here, about 110, going back, somewhere around 80. Got a pressure tank set at 15. Air burper thing up top. There's a couple on here too. I got a 1/8 motor. Might be overkill. I'm no pipe fitter, so I use all PEX and crimpers. I had to do about, I would say, 100 crimps. After you do 50, that gets pretty sickening. So that's 1 circuit right there to heat my floors. Okay, I'm kind of in a tight area here, so we gotta go around. Here's my furnace. And this circuit has to do with my boiler. So there's my hot water coming down the chimney. That goes to my wood boiler. And it goes to the heat exchanger that you just seen first. And from the heat exchanger, got a little bit of rednecking going on here. I gotta tighten things up, but comes out and it goes into my furnace. So then I just gotta turn my fan on and I got hot air. And then there it goes through another motor because I gotta send it up the chimney again. And it goes up the chimney. We're gonna hook the furnace up, furnace fan that is, we're gonna hot wire that so it turns on at a certain temp, and then the furnace turns on at a lower temp. But that's another day. And I got that we might take that project on later in the week. So then you come over here, this is my basement, kind of a storage area. Put my concrete right now, I've been running it for 4 hours. It was at somewhere around 35. We're at 52. And that is hooked to a thermostat that is taped to the floor of the concrete. So we got that, if you look at it, we got that to turn on at 75 and turn off at 85. Altogether, I would say, you know, this project cost me about $1,000. At least a good 3 weekends of my time, full weekends. There's a big shout out to a couple guys on YouTube that I pretty much copied their circuit, but everybody copies stuff and makes it their own. And yeah, seems like it's working pretty good. I'm happy. See, I ain't got much room to work with. It's all behind the furnace.